Hey guys, I'm Day. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe. Leave me some comments and give me thumbs up. So today's vlog day, I was thinking about doing something pretty chill. You know, give you guys a little part of me. And with that, I have In-N-Out. What's In-N-Out? Who doesn't love In-N-Out, right? But of course, not a lot of states have In-N-Out, which that makes it really sad for me. Come on. But anyways, with that, I have some Sour Patches as dessert, and of course lemonade. I love lemonade. So let's see what we have in the bag. Meanwhile, I'm gonna tell you guys why I decided to become a vlogger. And it's pretty simple and easy. So if you guys follow me, you will have a pretty good ending. So I became a vlogger because I know my potential. I know I can become something else than what people usually tell you you can become. You know, a lot of people tell you like, oh, you know, you just, I don't know, you're just gonna have a really simple life, you know, finish college at 25, get married at 30, have your child at 31. And it's not bad, it's awesome, because everybody gets to pick up their own life, and that's your own decision, you know. And I love sharing a part of me. I love seeing that I am accepted by my followers on Instagram. Shout out to all my followers on Instagram. They have supported me since day one. Ever since I said, the first time I said that I was gonna, you know, I was gonna vlog and I was gonna, you know, do all these videos and pranks and reactions and makeup tutorials, you know, and collabs. They just have been loyal to me and just staying right there on my Instagram, following me, waiting for me to drop a vlog. And I'm so thankful. Oh my goodness, I just feel it's shaking. Oh my gosh, guys, it's shaking. I think that was an earthquake, but I'm not sure. I did feel like it was an earthquake. It was strong. Anyways, guys, thank God nothing bad happened. People out there, bless them, and you know, God be there with them and with us at all times. But with that now said, I'm gonna continue our vlog day with In-N-Out, of course. But yeah, people have accepted me, and I knew that from the beginning. I knew that I had the potential to do that, you know. I knew that I was able to give myself a chance to learn a lot of things, to learn like all these programs like that you get to like learn for like editing, you know. You guys are awesome, and I don't even know you guys. And man, knowing more people, getting to know people around the world, what they like, you know, making people laugh, entertaining people, you know, giving them a one little time of their day and just entertain them with a good vlog day, you know. And of course, who doesn't want to be in California? Who doesn't want to leave? Better yet, live in California. Man, being a vlogger here in California, it just has a lot of good things, you know. You have Beverly Hills, you have Hollywood, you know. It's a different life. LA, man, just LA. Everybody wants to be in LA. That's why it's so expensive. Being a YouTuber in LA, you get to go everywhere. The desert, the mountains, the city, you know, the valley. There's the beach, everything. There's everything inside one hand. And I just knew that I was gonna be able to entertain a lot of people. I knew that I could build my brand off this, you know, and I could be able to be part of another individual's life, because I am part of you guys, you know. Whoever is watching this vlog day, I am part of you. And if you allow me to be part of your YouTube, you know, it's the satisfaction that I got to the level where I'm willing to get. All because of my confidence, and all because of you guys. Because you guys allow me to be part of you guys, of you. I love you guys. But with that now said, that is why I want to be a vlogger. And why not, man? Why not? And of course, don't miss out on more vlog days. Thank you so much for watching.